Hi, I'm Gary from Y3K. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset an XVision IP camera. So the first thing you need to do is connect the camera to the local network either via a PoE switch or using 12 volt power supply to power the camera. Okay, so once you've got that connected to your local network, run the device search tool, click the search button, and you'll then see the camera there. So as we can see here, the IP address of my camera is 10.10.25.152 because I've unplugged it from an XVision NVR. So we need to get this camera on the local network. So the easiest way of doing that is on the search bar on your Windows PC, type in CMD for command prompt. Run the command prompt, and on here type in ipconfig. This will then show you your network details here. So we need to match the default gateway and the subnet mask and then assign it an IP address. So just move that down there. So if I highlight this camera, so I'm going to change the default gateway, so that needs to exactly match. So 192.168.0.1. The subnet mask, that needs to match as well, so 255.255.255.0. And I'm going to change the IP address to 192.168.0.199. I'm setting it to 199, so it is far away from everything else on the network, so less likely to have any issues with IP conflict. So once you've done that, click the modify button. And then under the status on the search tool, it'll tell you if it's been modified successfully. So we can see modified successful. So now I'm going to open my browser. I'm going to type in the IP address of the camera, so 192.168.0.199, and search. Now, if you've never accessed the camera or the recorder on the local network, you may be prompted to install a plugin. You will need to install this plugin and then refresh the browser. So here we have the login details for the camera. So I'm going to go to the password, which is admin as a default. I'm going to log in. So we can see we're logged in there. Now I'm going to go to remote settings. We go to advanced and then load default. And then you've got the options here of what you want to reset. So in this instance, we're going to reset the entire camera. So we select all, and then we click save. And then it'll notify you down here that the save is successful. So that's how to reset the camera. Once the camera's reset, if you keep hitting the search button on the device search tool, so once it's reset itself and rebooted, it will appear back on here under the default IP address, which I will show you once it's done. There we go, 192.168.1.168. So that is the camera reset. You can then unplug the camera, plug it back into the recorder, and hopefully that's resolved any issues that you had with that camera. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.